Once upon a time in the whimsical town of Cloverdale, there lived a group of adventurous friends, Lily, Max, and Sammy. They were always on the lookout for exciting quests to embark on. One sunny afternoon, while playing in the meadow, they stumbled upon a mysterious map hidden beneath a pile of colorful leaves. With curiosity sparkling in their eyes, they decided to follow the map's clues, which led them deep into the enchanted forest. As they journeyed through the dense foliage, they encountered magical creatures like talking squirrels, mischievous fairies, and a wise old owl who offered them guidance along the way. Their quest finally led them to a sparkling waterfall hidden within the heart of the forest. There, they discovered a hidden cave filled with glittering treasure. But instead of claiming the treasure for themselves, they realized it belonged to the forest's guardian, a friendly dragon named Sparkle. Grateful for their honesty and kindness, Sparkle gifted them each a shimmering gemstone as a token of friendship. With their newfound treasures in hand, Lily, Max, and Sammy returned home, their hearts brimming with joy and their friendship stronger than ever. And so, their adventure in the enchanted forest became a cherished memory, reminding them that the greatest treasures in life are found in the bonds of friendship and the magic of the world around them.